Nicole Torres and I am your tour guide here in South America. South America is a continent entirely located in the Western Hemisphere, mostly in the Southern Hemisphere, and sometimes described as Southern subregion of the Americas. It has an area of approximately 17,840,000 square kilometers and a population of over 434 million people as of 2021, making it the fourth largest continent by area and fifth largest by population. Here are the 10 of the best destinations in Brazil that offers a diverse range of experience. First is Rio de Janeiro. Known for its vibrant culture, stunning beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema, iconic landmarks such as Christ the Redeemer and Sugarloaf Mountain, and the famous Carnival Festival. Second is Ilha Grande, a gorgeous island destination with crystal clear waters, secluded beaches, and charming villages, perfect for a relaxing getaway. Third is Lencois Maranhenses, a national park with stunning sand dunes and rainwater lakes that create a unique and beautiful landscape. Fourth is Manaus and the Amazon, the gateway to the Amazon rainforest, offering opportunities for jungle adventures, wildlife spotting, and experiencing the world's largest tropical rainforest. Fifth, Salvador de Bahia, Brazil's oldest city with a rich history, vibrant Afro-Brazilian culture, colorful costumes, and historic architecture. Foz do Iguacu, home to the breathtaking Iguazu Falls, shared with Argentina and also featuring Parque das Aves and the Three Borders landmark. Seventh is Búzios, a beachfront destination known for its stunning beaches, water sports like diving and kitesurfing, and vibrant nightlife. It is Rio de Janeiro's Tugican National Park, the largest urban rainforest in the world, offering hiking trails, lush greenery, and a chance to experience Brazil's diverse flora and fauna. Lencois Maranhenses National Park, with its unique landscape of sand dunes and rainwater lakes, it's a natural wonder and ideal for nature lovers. Last but not the least is the Chapada Diamantina. It is a national park located in the state of Bahia. This park offers stunning landscape, waterfalls, caves, and hikes, making it perfect for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. These destinations showcase Brazil's diversity, ranging from natural wonders like rainforests and waterfalls to vibrant cities with rich cultural heritage and stunning beaches. Each place offers a unique experience that reflects the beauty and charm of Brazil. Thank you.